The human p53 gene is located on the 7th chromosome. It is a gene that codes for a protein that regulates the cell cycle and hence functions as a tumor suppression. This is a normal p53 gene that functions properly. So there's DNA damage right there. And so this is the p53 gene and this is the enzyme. And so since the DNA is damaged, the p53 is activated and binds to the DNA. And the cell halts at the G1 checkpoint, which checks for damage to DNA or any external factors. And so then the DNA will repair itself. See those little check mark means it's repaired. If those all fail and the repair is impossible, then apoptosis is triggered, which is basically cell destruction. And as a result, the cells do not pass on the damaged DNA. And here is a picture of how the cell cycle progresses with normal p53. So CDK is a protein that has the role of regulating the cell cycle, and the G-cyclin is an enzyme that speeds up the process, and the CDK inhibitor basically just stops the cell cycle from continuing. And so the basic difference is between a normal p53 has the inhibitor and a non-functional does not, and that's why the reproduction of the damaged DNA continues.
In the case of a non-functional p53, the DNA is damaged, the p53 is not activated, therefore the CDK inhibitor is not imposed at the G1 checkpoint. The cell doesn't stop, no DNA repair is activated, and apoptosis is never triggered, and the cell cycle continues to proceed.